Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix some websites not loading or not opening issue in Windows 11. First, go to Windows and open Settings. Here, select Network and Internets. Scroll down and click on Proxy. Here the manual proxy setup should be off. After that, minimize this and search this. ncpa.cpl. Open it. Here select your main internet and right-click on it. Press Properties and double-click on IPv4. Put check on use the following DNS server address and input 8888 on the first one and input 8844 on the second one. After that, click on OK and OK. Next, search up CMD and open it as an administrator. Type in ipconfig //DNS and hit enter. After that, just restart your PC and that's it.